and welcome to PUPS. In this video, we are going to take a look at one of the available features in PUPS called Scheduled Appointments. This module allows you to manage internal appointments between your clinical staff and clients. Let's take a look. On the left-hand navigation menu, Scheduled Appointments is available if this option is turned on for your location. Each field within this module is fully customizable. Upon opening Scheduled Appointments, you will be taken to a list view of your appointments scheduled to occur in the next 24 hours. If you have the additional permission as an appointment manager, you will see all appointments for your location. You can use the date pickers at the top to change the date range that you see on the screen, and you can also toggle between the list view and the calendar view if you prefer to view the appointments on a calendar layout with a color-coded key. Let's take a look at the available options when adding a new appointment. Click the green plus sign and fill out the available fields. All fields on this view can be customized for your location's unique scheduling needs. Select the staff that this appointment is scheduled for. Select whether the appointment is for a single client, a group, or an accepted referral, and then select the client from the drop-down menu. You can also select a task for the visit, and when doing so, the duration field will pre-populate based on presets that you can determine. If there are forms required for this visit, you can select them here, as well as billable services. If the appointment is telehealth, you can select it here as well, and then select if the appointment will be recurring or one time. If it is not a recurring appointment, leave this field on No and then set the appointment date. If the appointment is recurring, select Yes, and then you will have additional options to determine if the appointment will occur weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Select the day, the start date of the recurring appointment, and the time, using the date and time picker, and also the date when the recurring appointment is scheduled to end. This will then schedule an appointment for this client every Monday, starting today until August 29th. Once all fields on this screen are filled out, click Save to schedule the appointment. Toggling back to the list view, you can see that there are a few actions available for that scheduled appointment. This icon can be used to cancel the appointment if necessary, which will denote that the appointment has been canceled and require you to enter a reason. If this is a no call or no show, you would indicate it here. If this is not a no call, no show, and the client was able to give a reason for the cancellation, you would enter it here based on the preset list. The provider can then use this icon to check in the client once the appointment starts. The signature of the client can also be obtained at this time to confirm that the client is present and the appointment has been started. During the session or after the appointment concludes, the provider can use this icon to load the appointment details. The client's information will be listed above. The appointment information will be listed here with a notes box that you can enter additional details, and then you can save and continue later or save and complete this appointment. Once the appointment is over, the provider can then use this icon to check out to end the appointment. The client can sign again, and now the appointment has been ended. Additional icons are also available to appointment managers, including the ability to edit, delete, or delete recurring appointments. One additional feature of scheduled appointments is the ability to set reminders. You can click the edit icon from the list view, or you can toggle to the calendar view and click on the appointment block. Then click on Reminder Preferences. If the client already has an email and/or phone number entered on the demographics page, it will be pre-populated here. You can also manually enter this information. Then indicate whether to send the reminder via email, text, or both, and set the schedule for how soon before the appointment the reminders will be sent. Then click Save. Reminders are auto-generated from PUPS at the chosen time. The Scheduled Appointments module is a great tool for your organization to manage your internal appointments. Thank you.